Hi everyone, we've been talking about factors and the greatest common factor, but I want to introduce multiples. So before we move on, I want to talk about what the differences between factors and multiples are so we don't get mixed up. So here are the notes, number 32. You're going to glue it in and then come back. All right, so the first thing that we're going to do is a factor is the number you multiply together to get a product. So you multiply two factors together to get a product. And the multiple is the product, the answer. The product of a number times any whole number other than 0 is a multiple. All right, common means shared or the same as another. So we're going to be talking about greatest common factor and least common multiple, so they have to have something in common. Multiples are infinite and they go on forever. So you don't write all of them because they go on and on and on. You just go until you need to. So you're going to think multiply. These numbers get multiples of 12. We're going to multiply these numbers. We're going to get multiples of 12. So times 1 is 12, times 2 is 24, times 3 is 36. So if I was counting by 12s, that's what I would end up with. Times 4 is 48, and it'll keep going. Okay? You're going to start with a number and list the number times 2, the number times 3, the number times 4, and etc. That is how you would find multiples. Now here, factors. Zoom out just a tad. Factors are finite, meaning that there's only a set number of pairs. Multiples keep going, factors do not. So you're going to use a T-chart to find factors. Factors are pairs, two things that you multiply together. Okay, so 1 times 6 is 6. That would be two factors. 2 times, this should say 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and that's it. So my factors are 1, 2, 3, and 6. This says 6, this should say 3. That is a typo. So this is a finite or fixed set, meaning that's it. So when we're doing greatest common factor, we use factors to find out how to simplify. Multiples we're going to be doing to find equivalent fractions. Factors always come in pairs or have a match. And the multiples are the number multiplied on forever and ever. You skip count. Like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so forth. Okay, so that's the difference between factors and multiples.